happy to hear I made it safe and alive. As did Toopy. Toopy! And Katie is still making her way up. She's giving her best shot. We're almost at the waterfall. I just sprinted, so I'm almost out of air. You're gonna be okay. You're gonna be fine, trust me. Did you actually go through the water?
Yeah.
Oh my lord.
It felt so nice.
I bet it did.
I want to sit in it.
You want to sit in it. Don't know if that's a good idea, but hey, we're all different.
So nice.
Here's the cave. Which, have you been in the cave before? Wouldn't recommend going in there.
What?
In the cave? Cougar Cave, we call it. Good. Totally wrecking my shoes. But that's okay. That's okay. That's alright. Because I'm not going to fucking get my camera completely fucked. But knowing my luck, it won't happen. Get the fuck away from me, chaps. Like, comes up running behind you and I'm like, oh, Jesus Christ. Up and oh, see, clearly I love vlogging. But this is why I vlog, because somewhere so close to the heart of Kamloops, you can stay down here, Jokes. Somewhere so close to the heart of Kamloops. So beautiful. Like, so slippery. Wow. Woo! You're gonna be okay, Katie. Just keep your focus. And don't let go of it, or you will fail. And it won't be pretty. I'll tell you that right now. Get away, Rux. Rux. Oh, yeah! Woo! Beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely amazing. You feel the water? It's really nice, actually. I'm gonna dunk my head in there, so I'll get Katie to record it.
I want to go down.